Unit 2, My Day.
Hello students, how are you guys? Hopefully everyone is in good health and full of happiness. And then this time we meet again in the learning of the new chapter. What time did you wake up? What time do you eat your breakfast? And what are your activities at 9 o'clock p.m.? And can you draw digital and analog clocks? Everything we will learn here in the chapter My Day. Listen and pay close attention.
Do you know what material we will discuss in this video? We'll learn about our activities in a day. Use AM and PM in time. Vocabulary in time. How to say the time. Present simple. Preposition in time, in or at. And write a letter. Wow! You have to focus on taking part in the lessons in this video. No need to linger anymore. Let's go to the next slide. Check this out, guys. Your activities in a day.
Listen and read.
It's 7:30.
It's time for breakfast.
It's 1 o'clock. It's time for lunch.
Yes, it is. I can go shopping after lunch.
What time is dinner?
It's at 6:30. After dinner, it's time for bed.
Good night, children.
Good night, Dad.
What do you do before school? Read and practice with your family members. Baca dan praktekkan dengan anggota keluargamu. What do you usually do at? Apakah yang kamu lakukan pada waktu ini? Morning. Wake up and get up. Have breakfast. Brush teeth. Take a bath. Afternoon. Have lunch. Play with friends. Evening. Take a bath. Watch television. Have dinner. Study routine. At night, go to bed. Use AM and PM in time format. Penggunaan AM dan PM dalam format waktu. We use AM from 12 p.m. to 11:59 p.m. or before noon. Kita menggunakan AM mulai pukul 12 malam sampai dengan jam 11.59 siang atau sebelum tengah hari. We use PM from 12 noon to 11:59 p.m. or afternoon. Kita menggunakan PM dimulai dari jam 12 siang sampai dengan jam 11.59 malam atau setelah tengah hari. For examples, pukul 7 pagi kita tulis 7 a.m. Pukul 5 sore kita tulis 5 p.m. Pukul 3 siang kita tulis 3 p.m. Pukul 11 malam kita tulis 11 p.m. Pukul 10 pagi kita tulis 10 a.m. Vocabulary. Words you should learn in time. Istilah yang dipelajari dalam jam atau waktu. Long hand, jarum panjang. Short hand, jarum pendek. Second hand, jarum detik. Alarm clock, jam beker atau alarm. Clock, jam dinding. Watch, jam tangan. Hour, jam. Minute, menit. Second, detik. A clock, digunakan untuk menunjukkan jam ketika jarum panjangnya tepat ke angka 12. Pass, lebih. Two, kurang. A quarter, seperempat atau 15 menit. A half, setengah atau 30 menit. How to say the time? Bagaimanakah cara membaca jam? Listen and repeat. Dengarkan dan ulangi. A. 1 o'clock. B. 2 o'clock. C. 3 o'clock. D. 4 o'clock. E. 5 o'clock. F. 6 o'clock. G. 7 o'clock. H. 8 o'clock. I. 9 o'clock. J. 10 o'clock. K. 11 o'clock. L. 12 o'clock. Listen and repeat. Dengarkan dan ulangi. A. 12:30. B. 1:30. C. 2:30. D. 3:30. E. 4:30. F. 5:30. G. 6:30. H. 7:30. I. 8:30. J. 9:30. K. 10:30. L. 11:30. Present simple. We use the present simple to talk about things we do regularly. Kita menggunakan present simple untuk membicarakan hal-hal yang kita lakukan secara teratur. For examples, I get up. I brush my teeth. I have lunch. I go to bed. I have breakfast. I have dinner. Parts of speech prepositions in or at. We use the prepositions of time, in or at to talk about time. Kita menggunakan preposisi waktu, in atau at, untuk berbicara tentang waktu. We use in to say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. We use at to say at night, at 10 o'clock, at 7:30. Time to writing. Pretend you have a pen friend in the USA. Write a letter to her or him. Use the words in the box to help you. Write it in your assignment book and send a photo of the letter you wrote to the parents' subgroup. Do it well and decorate it. Bayangkanlah kalian memiliki sahabat pena di USA. Kemudian, tulislah surat kepadanya. Gunakan kata-kata dalam kotak untuk membantu kalian. Tulislah surat ini di buku tugas kalian dan kirimkan foto surat yang kalian tulis ke grup WA orang tua. Kerjakan dengan baik dan jangan lupa dihias dengan bagus. Okay class, we have arrived at the end of the material. Before ending learning, does anyone know what we are learning today? Yes, exactly. Today we learn about you'll learn, get to know and mention the various activities that we do in a day. You'll learn how to use AM and PM in time. You'll learn vocabulary in time. You'll learn how to say the time. You'll learn how to use of simple present and it terms. You'll learn preposition in time, in or at. And you'll learn how to write a letter. For your text, you may check out your worksheets in your parents' WhatsApp group. And don't forget, from this video you also have the task of making a letter to a pen friend. Alright kids, I think it's enough for this part 1 lessons. Miss Nina hopes you can learn and pay attention to every material I have explained. And don't forget to do the text that Miss Nina shared. See you at My Day Part 2.
Thank you guys.